You will be able to create your very own tags for any event you would like to be tracked, add them to your website, and see how the firing of an event develops over time. You can also use the auto tracking to scan your website for default elements without having to add any extra code and track them right away. This feature helps you immensely in tracking events you specifically want to know. All triggered auto events tracked. This table gives an overview of all the auto-tracked events that have been fired throughout the selected period of time. Each line represents one firing of an event. The table allows various filtering and grouping options. Click here to open a live tracking mode, see what elements were tracked for the website's specific page, and much more. The line diagram basically reflects the data presented to you in the table above. You will notice that only one line is visible, referring to the entire amount of events shown or filtered in the table above, by default. Moving on to the Manual Tracked Events tab, you'll find a familiar layout with two sections, All Triggered Manual Events Tracked, and the Line Diagram, offering a comprehensive overview of manually triggered events. The third tab of this submodule is called Event Tag Generator. Whenever you feel like creating a new event tag to track whatever happens on your website, you can do this easily within the application. Once you have generated your new event tag, you need to integrate it within your website so that the application can track the firing of this event. Each created tag must be added within each individual element that you want to track. Once you create the event tag, you will be able to find HTML and WordPress instructions. Event Tracking Settings. This section of the module settings allows you to select which type of event you want to be tracked by our platform. Once accessed, you will have two types of settings available. General Event Tracking Settings. This setting allows you to enable or disable the following options. Define default events for auto tracking. Disable only the tracking of automatically identified events. Track manually created event tags. Disable only the tracking of manually added events. Auto-tracked default events. This setting shows you what elements on the site could be automatically identified with the current version and the actions that can be tracked for each element.